Day 11 of the 2024 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar is a Venator class Republic attack cruiser. This represents an 1170 piece set number 8039 from 2009. Costing £100 new, it's worth over £500 today. The Venator class Star Destroyer was a Kuat Drive Yard's capital ship used extensively by the Galactic Republic during the latter parts of the Clone Wars, as well as by the Galactic Empire later. A stock ship was around 1137 metres long, making it one of the largest capital ships capable of atmospheric operations, landing on planets to load and unload troops and vehicles. The Venator class was born from the success of the Acclamator class assault ship, and it was designed by Lyra Blissex. It was designed primarily for ship-to-ship combat, but the Venator had secondary roles ranging from starfighter carrier to military transport and battleship escort. As a popular multi-role warship of the Republic Navy, the Venator was considered heavily armed and armoured enough to lead assaults on rim worlds like Utapau, as well as fast enough to chase down blockade runners. Due to being less self-sufficient than other ships in the fleet, the Venator class often relied upon supply lines to aid long-range campaigns. These vessels also sported the red colour of diplomatic immunity adorned on all Republic ships. By the beginning of the Galactic Empire, the hulls were deprived of this symbol of the Republic, giving them a dull imperial grey appearance. The armament of a Venator-class Star Destroyer consisted of 8 dual DBY-827 heavy turbo laser turrets, 2 medium dual turbo laser cannons, 52 point defence dual laser cannons and 4 proton torpedo tubes. The 8 heavy dual turbo laser turrets had 2 tracking modes, a precise long-range tracking mode that could hit a target at a range of 10 light minutes, while in close range mode the turrets could rotate in 3 seconds with their fast tracking ability. Besides this, the DBY-827s had 7 different power settings, allowing the pilots and gunners to select a range of destruction from a small strike to a vaporizing blow. As a true warship, the Venator-class Star Destroyer could divert almost all of its reactor output to its heavy turbo lasers when needed. It had a Class 1 hyperdrive with an effective range of 60,000 light-years. And a typical Republic Venator carried a complement of 420 fighter craft. Some of these could be deployed from a half-kilometre reveal in the bow of the ship. This additional flight deck enabled the Venator class to launch hundreds of fighters rapidly, but the slow opening and closing of the bow doors could leave the ship extremely vulnerable.